Yo, 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 yo. Yo, 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 yo. What's going on? Tony from LearnAutoBodyAndPaint.com. Making a quick video. I'm actually in the garage right now. Like I said, I wanted to pick back up on this pinstriping, and I'm going through some problems here, and I wanted to make a quick video to show you what's going on. So if you're just getting on, let me know that you can hear me and see me. Give me a quick thumbs up, and I'm gonna flip the camera around, and I need you to type in the chat room, in the chat really quickly, so I can see that you guys can hear me and see me, because at times I do not know if it's going through. VIP Frisco, Texas is going on. All right, so it's about 60 degrees in here. It's not that cold, right? And I'm taking off. Earlier today, I put pinstriping on the side of the truck here, and I want to redo it. Okay, I'm redoing it. And I noticed that when I was pulling off this pinstriping, watch, it keeps breaking on me. And then I actually did this whole door like an idiot, peeling it up like this again, right? Because you're gonna get this sometimes. Good, doing this, you know, peeling it back, and then it breaks again, right? Going crazy. It took me literally 15 minutes, and I said, what the hell am I doing? Why am I wasting my time? Right? So the easier way to do this, okay, and this goes for any kind of decal. It doesn't matter if it's on for a year, 2 years. It makes taking off the decals or stickers so much easier. Is you get a blow dryer or a heat gun, and you just heat up the vinyl quickly. It gets nice and soft, and it ends up peeling off really, really easily, okay, in most instances. So I have a heat gun here, automotive grade, right? You gotta make sure not to keep it in the same place too long, because you're gonna burn the paint. So I'm just gonna turn it on. All right, and it's getting warm now, so I'm just gonna go like this. Just warm up the panel. You just wanna warm up the panel. All right, if you guys are liking this, hit the like button really quickly. Right, we're just gonna test it out and make sure this works. Just give it a little bit. Warm up the panel. And, you know, I should have done it earlier on that door, and I was like, all right, let me just do it on here. Let me do a demo for you guys live. Okay, and if it doesn't work, that means the panel's not heated enough. I wish I had somebody holding the camera. This way I can kind of test it out. But let's see what happens. Okay, and remember, this is a 2017 truck. It's a brand new truck here. I don't want to screw it up, right? Okay, so let's see what this did. Yeah, well, pinstriping by hand is another art. I really like this vinyl pinstripe. It's easy to do, good for newbies, and you can see that it comes off really good. It's called Pro Stripe, and I love this stuff. I really do. You can do all kind of designs. And see, we got most of it off before it messed up right there. So if you want to learn how to do pinstriping by hand pinstriping, you need a lot of practice, you need a lot of time and patience, because it takes time. Me, I don't have patience, and I don't have the time to go putting into that right now. Maybe later. I do have a pinstriping paintbrush that I bought, because I wanted to actually get into that. So not too bad. It kind of screwed up at the end here, but this we could just peel. But you could see how much easier it was. I got that whole long piece done. This part was probably cooled off by the time I got to it. There we go. Oh, one little piece there. All right, so we got it off. Pretty cool, right? Same thing I could do to any decals around the car. I want to take off, you know, the dealer decal right here as well. I don't like that. I'm going to get rid of that, and I'm going to put a 4x4 emblem there. Probably chrome or black. But if I black one out, then I'm going to have to black everything out on the truck, you know, because I got chrome over here as well. So if I black one, they all got to be blacked out to match and to look good, right? So if you guys like that tip, give me a quick thumbs up. You like the tip. Here is the, let's see. Here is the, if you want to go old school and really learn how to pinstripe with paint, these are the brushes that you want to use. Okay, it's a MAC brush. They come in different sizes. This is camel hair. Okay, you wet it with the base coat, and then you need a steady hand, and you just basically do your pinstriping on cars, on motorcycle tanks, whatever you want to do. Honestly, I'm going to tell you the truth. This is not my forte. I picked it up because I wanted to learn the forte and I want to start doing it, but I haven't practiced. Right? You need to have a very steady hand to do this type of work, and it takes years. It can take years of practice and years of work to get good at it. And for me, you know, I say stick to your strengths. This is not one of my strengths. So if I wanted to have this done by paint, I would hire somebody and have it done. But honestly, personally, I like playing with the vinyl pinstripe. Okay, I do, and I recommend you do too. It's fun to do. If you goof up, it's not a big deal, right? And it's inexpensive to do. If you screw up, you could just peel it back like I did. No problem. Peel it back. They come in different sizes, different colors, and you could experiment, do what you want. For me, this is good, right? For me, this is good right now, until I have time to put into practicing and all that, and you know, whatever. But you can see that you got glitter styles, you got gold. I used to have a whole box of them, but not anymore. You could also clear coat over them, like I did a two-tone graphic on this motorcycle, and I actually pinstriped, you can see it, and I clear coated over it. So this is all in the clear coat. All right. Yeah, I removed the pinstripe already. Watch the beginning of the video. And I'm actually going to go ahead and redo it right now. I don't know if I want to do it live because it's going to be a while. I'll be probably sitting on this one panel for 15 minutes. I don't know if I should just do it live or what, but I basically want to go do the whole thing again. And I'm thinking of doing part of the bed. At least get one side done tonight and play with it. So that's that. So that's the deal. So what I'm gonna do is grab some paper towel, and I'm just gonna show you. I wish I had a stand for this stupid thing. I don't have a stand right now. The stand is at my house. But let's see if I could just do that. Okay. Just gonna grab some paper towel. Do you guys see the truck there? Let me see. Yeah, you guys see the side of the bed. So I'm just going to grab that. I got some Sprayway. This is good glass cleaner. And you want to make sure not to wax your truck or put any type of coating finish on it before you do pinstriping. You want it as bare as possible. No waxes. Wash it down. If you did wax it, you're going to want to use a wax and grease remover to clean the panel from any of that, and wipe it down, and then follow through with a Windex or a Sprayway like I got here. So these are the lines that I'm going to do, my pinstriping, and I'm just going to clean the area. Clean the area, and that's it. All right, I'll show you where I'm going to do in just a bit. Okay. So on the bed, what I plan to do is pinstripe on this body line here. Come out and then do something cool around this off-road here. Enhance this off-road sign with the black pinstripe and continue on the cab again. So pretty simple. I will be videotaping it HD, so you guys in VIP will get all that footage. All right, so I just want to give you that, guys, that quick tip right here. Heat it up with the gun. Rubbing alcohol works just as good as wax and grease remover. True. I've heard that, and I don't know. I think rubbing alcohol dries too quickly. you know, it dries too quickly and it could leave a haze on your panel. So it's up to you if you want to use it. I like to just use the true shit, you know, just get the wax and grease remover and just use that. That's what I always use. Some people say they want to use Windex. I don't know. I try to cut my chances of screwing up as much as possible because you're going to screw up anyway. So, you know, try to reduce the risk of messing up. It's probably okay. It's got it, you know, it's probably okay, right? So test it out and let me know how it worked for you. That's all. I'm just trying to plug something in because I want to take this decal out now. Now I'm in the mode of taking decals off. So that's what I'm going to do. How long should I wait to paint a panel after I've primed it? I mean, why wait? I mean, I don't get the question. How long should you wait after? I mean, when it's ready, you could just paint it. Primer's dry. After that thing is prepped and ready to go, then you could paint it. So if you primed it, you have it all sanded down, and it's ready to go, then you're ready to paint it. So you really don't have to wait. Yeah, you only have to wait if you are in the middle of your base coat, clear coat painting, flash time, right? So you're doing your base coat, you got a little bit of flash time, 20 minutes or so. And then clear coat, you got a flash time. Basically, by the time you go around the car, you're ready to start here. Because it's going to take you 20-25 minutes to go around the car. Maybe 20 minutes to go around the car. So if you start here painting, you walk around the truck, you get the top, you get around. By the time you come back here, you're ready for your second coat. That's how it works. So, so that's that. So thanks, guys, for hopping on. I just wanted to say what's up, show you that quick tip. I'm going to go ahead and finish doing the side of this truck with pinstriping, and then I'll show you how it looks when it's done. All right, maybe I'll do another quick live stream tomorrow with the finished product, but I will be videotaping. I will be filming everything in HD video for you guys in VIP. All right, so yeah, have a great night, guys. Thanks for hopping on. This was just at the moment spontaneous video here. Don't mess around with the brand new truck. Well, I can mess around with it, so I will. What's up, Danny? Danny D. It's just pinstriping. You know, you can't really mess it up. The only thing you can do is get glue on it, you know. But I will be doing some customizing to this truck for sure. So have a good night, guys. Love you all. Thanks for getting on. Hit the like button before you head out, and I will see you guys on the next time I go live. Have a great night, guys. Cheers. Peace out. Cheers, cheers, cheers.